Okay guys, so my side by side hobby bag is here. I'm so happy. Artist made collection by BTS Jhope. Okay, let's open it together. Oh my god, I'm so excited how to open this. Oh, duh. Oh my god, look at that. So pretty. So pretty. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm sorry I keep saying oh my god because ya ini kayak banyak begini, but that's okay, bisa digunting. Ya, it's okay, nanti dibuka ininya, plastiknya, and then dapat apa sih? Oke. Jadi, komponennya itu one photo card and one making log and the bag. Okay, so wow, so fancy from hobby. Kayaknya semuanya dalam sini. Yap, and ini another. And ini mungkin buat tasnya, nggak tahu. Kita buka. 편지 from hobby. Oh my god. I wanna cry. Ini making lognya. A prototype of design. Okay, that's cool. I'm definitely gonna wear this tomorrow karena gue bakal jalan sama temen gue besok dan gue bakal pakai bagnya, of course. Wow, design review, product planning. And then back side, sample review, final review. Oh, thanks to making log and of course the photo card. And yep, it's so pretty. I can't wait to wear it tomorrow. Gue bakal buka ini semuanya and then gue bakal kasih ke kalian. Okay y'all, this is the final result. Gue udah buka semua plastiknya dan ini chainnya kayak tali kan ya, begini. Bagus sih, cuman bagian part ininya aja yang tadi banyak yang keluar-keluar, tapi udah gua gunting jadi lebih rapi. So yeah, this is the bag. Dan kalau misalnya kalian mau lihat gimana bentuknya kalau dipakai, besok gua bakal foto dan post di Instagram fan account gua. Thank you for watching, bye bye.